You know that person who opens their phone just for a second, and suddenly it's 45 minutes later and they're watching a stranger organize their fridge in real time? The person who has 17 tabs open, knows way too much about a celebrity they don't even care about, and has somehow become an expert on a topic they'll never need in real life? Yeah, that's you. And honestly, welcome. You're about to feel very seen. So here's what's actually happening when you're mindlessly scrolling through your feed at 2 a.m. Society calls it procrastination, screen addiction, wasting time. But neuroscience? Neuroscience calls it cognitive offloading and low-stakes information foraging. There's actual research on this. A study from the University of California found that our brains actively seek out what they call information gaps during downtime. Your brain isn't broken. It's literally doing what it's designed to do. Here's the thing, though. When you scroll, your brain enters what psychologists call a default mode network state. This is the same mental zone you're in when you're in the shower, taking a walk, or right before you fall asleep. You know, those moments when your best ideas suddenly hit you? That's not a coincidence. But there's more. Studies show that this kind of low-effort browsing actually helps your brain consolidate memories and process emotions from earlier in the day. Wild, right? You think you're just watching cake decorating videos, but your subconscious is literally filing away your work drama and figuring out that argument you had. And can we talk about the guilt for a second? Society acts like every moment needs to be productive, optimized, monetized. What if I told you that your brain needs useless information? What if your best life isn't grinding 24/7, but actually includes knowing random facts about deep-sea creatures at 11 p.m.? Maybe the people who shame you for scrolling are just uncomfortable with the idea that rest doesn't have to look like meditation and green smoothies. Now, let's be real for a second. There's a difference here. Do you scroll and then feel refreshed, like your brain just took a little vacation? Or do you scroll and feel worse, more anxious, comparing yourself to everyone, unable to stop even when you want to? One is genuine downtime. The other is avoidance. And that's worth paying attention to. But if you're the person who can genuinely decompress with 20 minutes of scrolling, if you're collecting random knowledge, watching people live their lives, letting your mind wander through the internet's weird corners, and then actually going about your day feeling fine, you're not lazy. You're not addicted. You're just human. Your brain is doing exactly what millions of years of evolution designed it to do, which is seek out information, even if that information is 10 signs you're a Ravenclaw, or whatever. Hit subscribe if you think you're this type and you're tired of pretending it's a problem. Quick question, what's the weirdest rabbit hole you've gone down recently? Drop it in the comments because I guarantee someone else went down the exact same one. And if you thought this video hit close to home, the next one's about overthinking, and it's going to hit even harder. Don't miss it.